Okay, a short and sweet highlight video from GreatStockPicks.com on Monday. Coming out of a 2-day slump where I could not do anything right, and so really vowed to just slow down and make sure I didn't overtrade and make a bunch of calls that didn't meet all my parameters on Monday. And man, did I adhere to that. I made one call all day. That was AT&T, the letter T. You can see the blue line I put where my entry was. This was after the push down on the way back up, 33.11. Worst case stop, 20 cents below. That's kind of my default now, to kind of stay out of the crosshairs of the stop hunters, the market makers, the HFTs. I usually default to a 20-cent stop. That doesn't mean anyone that's a member in our chat room has to listen to me. The proper way to do this would be take the 33.11 entry and just stop it at the low of the day, which is 33.04. So I guarantee we had members that had the 7 cents risk on this. If I scoot down, you can see where my stop line is. But that, keep in mind, that's my worst case line in the sand. And once I start moving up, I promise you I'm not going to let this turn into a loss. So scaled out of this in parts, and the last part was nicely up here in this base, very close to the high of the day. So AT&T for one trade. How do I word this? Not huge, but was super conservative, and money in the bank from the minute we got it, right? 33.11, never really looked back. So 45-cent move in our favor. Usually, like I said, 7 cents risk probably for most of our members. Worst case, 20 cents. And that's it. That's all I had. We had some good discussions today. We're working on some good new scans through Trade Ideas, setting up scans to meet certain parameters we're looking for. And so I think it's going to be a promising week. We've already done a pretty good job setting up scans that spit out certain parameters that are stocks that are exactly what we're looking for. As a matter of fact, AT&T was one of those today that we put to work that on a scan from this weekend that worked beautifully. So anyway, I'm not going to babble anymore. I'm trying to think of things to say when I had just a dull one trade day. Hopefully, we had a Monday with not much financial news, so hopefully the rest of the week we'll have some more ideas. But super happy with the one trade I took today. All right, have a good night. We'll talk to you later.